This gadget opens your curtains at the push of a button, and you can set a schedule so it does it at a certain time. This luggage has a built-in scooter so you can get around the airport quickly, and it folds up to save space. This is a height increaser which you can put inside your shoes, and it can add 2 inches to your height, which is perfect for short kings. This is a spinning mop that has a bunch of different attachments, and it can clean any type of surface. It's rechargeable and has an extension arm for those hard to reach places. This is a candle stopper that has a spring so it can extinguish the flame all by itself. This is an umbrella hat so you don't have to use your hands to hold it, and it helps you stay dry when it's raining. This is a hair tie with a secret compartment so you can hide your valuables where no one can find them. This gadget sticks on any type of door, and it soundproofs your room, and this is what it sounds like before and after you install it. This dog collar has a built-in leash, and it's retractable so you can grab it whenever you need to. This gadget clips on the bottom of your bed sheets and removes all the wrinkles just like they do at hotels. This is a flat plug for outlets behind furniture so you can push them in all the way. This is a blind cleaner, which is the best way to clean your windows, and it also has a brush on the other side of it. These pots automatically water your plants by keeping the soil moist, and you can easily see how much water is left. This is a hair catcher that sticks on your shower so you can put hair all in one place and take it out when you need to. This is a fabric shaver that cleans up those annoying lint balls on clothes that you've used for a long time.